How many blue can you count?
One and two.
Wow, that is a lot. Oh my gosh. So are you making, what are you making? Are you making traffic jam?
A tractor.
You're making a tractor. And look what you've done over there too. You're lining up all the fire truck and tow truck and police car and ambulance and everything, huh?
Tractors.
Hmm?
Mommy, where's
Uh-oh. What happened?
truck?
Because you are in a traffic jam by that door.
By the door.
Yeah. Look what you've done. Looks so nice. Wow.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy, we were here.
What is that over there? Oh my gosh, what is that?
There were tractors.
A what?
There were tractors.
It is a tractor? I think so. I don't know.
There were tractor.
Is it?
Is it?
Okay. So where are you gonna put it?
The farmer.
What?
With
What?
the farm.
Yeah, oh,
With the farm.
like a farm?
The farm like a shoe.
Like a zoo? Like a zoo? Like a zoo?